Alright, so I decided to go with a Catback system after all. So I am converting the Extreme Turbo Systems Axleback exhaust to the full Catback exhaust, so the only thing that I need are the mid pipe and the white pipe. And as you can see, I do not have the resonator and I do not have the mufflers on the Axleback, so the car will be straight piped from the cats on back. And I do realize that I am going against what I said in the past, that the reason that I did not go for a full catback is because it might make the car too loud. But yeah, but it's here, so it's going on the car. This was something that I haven't seen before, this little clamp right here, because the white pipe and the mid pipe are separate. So but this is actually pretty simple to figure out. But it is easier to put the mid pipe on the car first, and then clamp these, then clamp the pipes together. It would be a lot easier. And of course, it came with the gaskets for going up to the cat, more gaskets for the Axleback, and then nuts and bolts with some gel for the bolts. All right, so I got the car jacked up, and looks like this right here is where the catback system starts. So I thought that was a resonator, but apparently it's a cat, or I don't know, because I thought that both cats were up front, but I'm not sure what this is or not. So this is the stock mid pipe and the stock Y pipe with the ETS Extreme exhaust with the black tips. So we're pretty much not really changing anything except how wide the pipes are on the Y pipe, and we will see how wide the pipe is on the stock mid pipe. So alright, so let's take a quick look at the difference here. Not really much of a difference. Looks like I am not getting a resonator delete, so that's a good thing for me. The car probably won't be that much louder, so I can still drive it to work in the mornings. Alright, so on the stock Y pipe, it is 1.5 inches. On the ETS, the Y pipe is about just under 2.5 inches, so improvement there. All right, and now comparing the mid pipe. The stock mid pipe is about 2.5 or just under 2.5 inches, and it is 3 inches on the Extreme Turbo Systems mid pipe. So not that much of a difference, actually. The biggest difference is the Y pipe. All right, got everything tightened up, but I am going to adjust this because I don't want this hanging down so low. I mean, that's very close. Because of the ramps, I think that the rear suspension is kind of collapsed a little bit, but just in case. videos or revs videos, I'm not going to bother because the only difference between this one and the stock mid pipe is that this one, the pipes are they are just over a half an inch wider. Nothing was deleted, so I mean, there's not really any sound difference, I don't think. Like, maybe even like a little bit, but I'd say if there is a difference, you probably can't pick it up on camera. So, alrighty. The next video will be a walk around of the car to show you everything that I've done to the car, because I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of comments. Like, I get like 5 a day about what kind of splitter that is. So yeah. Alright, I will see you in the next one. Jesus Christ. Oh, might as well end the video with a boxer rumble.